Important wisdom from the Old Testament. And you, my son Solomon, accept the God of your father. Serve him completely and willingly, because the Lord knows what is in everyone's mind. He understands everything you think. If you go to him for help, you will find an answer. But if you turn away from him, he will leave you forever. 1 Chronicles chapter 28, verse 9. The Lord knows everything that's in your mind. He knows everything that's in your heart. And he knows everything that you need, even before you know that you need it. So trust in the Lord and go to him. But if you turn away, he will leave you. He will leave you. There cannot be two masters. Praise be to God.